Hi, welcome to another screencast video of AlgoDocs. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use AlgoDocs to capture passport data using AlgoDocs AI. We will use this sample passport for this demonstration. Let's begin. As the first step, we head to the extractors page to create an extractor for the document. For this video, we will start by selecting one of the pre-built extractors for identity documents. We give it a name and we create the extractor. The next step is to upload a file from the file manager to the extractor we created. To do this, we right-click on the root folder, and we select the Upload Files for Data Extraction option. We then select the extractor from the extractor list and upload the files from our device. Now we head to Extracted Data page. We select the extractor and we can see the extracted data. We see all the values on the document captured in our extracted data page. We can also preview the sample file. We can then export to Excel. Here we can see the Excel extracted data. We can also use AlgoDocs form data extraction for capturing data from identity documents. To do this, we create a new extractor from scratch, using a sample file. We name the extractor and select the file from our device. Now we head to the extractor editor to add our extraction method. We select Form Data Extraction and continue to the Raw Data page. Now you can see our document data is captured with keys to the left and values to the right column. We then name and save this field. With that done, we can exit and head to the extracted data page. Here we see the extracted data as a table. We can preview it and also export to Excel. Moreover, we can use AlgoDocs integrations for automating import of files to AlgoDocs and fetching extracted data from AlgoDocs. For any questions and support, please contact support@algodocs.com. Thank you for watching.